towards completing your ACCA DipIFR qualification. So step number one, you should enroll in the course, visit the website https://online.com. You will find their DipIFR course options. There are two options. One is a pre-recorded course, which I called on-demand course, which you can use on your flexibility. So you are watching, you have available all the recorded content available there. The second option with you is to join our live groups. Live group, I always start like, twice a year, because exam is in June. So I will start in January. Next exam is in December. I'll start in July. So you can join our live groups as well if you want to, or if you want more flexibility, you can even prepare for your on-demand course. First step is that you should visit the website and choose the course which you want, the live group or the on-demand course. Second is join our groups. As soon as you join or get a course from Vertex, you should send us an email, and you should be joining our groups, our Telegram groups or our WhatsApp groups, so that you can remain in touch with me and we can see the progress. Third step is start preparing. Of course, follow the study plan, because we give you complete day-by-day study plan, which videos you should watch, which pages from the book you should read, and which question videos you should watch, and which practice questions you should do. So once you complete the study plan, you are actually saving yourself from the last hour panic. Otherwise, what happens that I know students, they pass 3 months or 4 months, or in the end, a lot of workload is left. Or which other mistake they do, they watch the videos, they read the study text, but they don't do the questions, because there is no clear guidance that which questions should be done. So we mention you the questions, we give you the study plan that these are the questions which you should be doing on daily basis. Then take final mock exam. Extremely important. Before you go to exam, like, approximately 10 to 12 days before exam, you should test yourself. You should test your stamina. Can you focus for 3 hours or not? Do you have capacity to concentrate for 3 hours? Where is your knowledge? Where do you stand? Find out the knowledge gaps. And then last 2 weeks, you should work on that as well. See, a lot of people, they go to exam, they're actually just, checking their luck, that if they were lucky, they would pass. If they are not lucky, they just, get somewhere around 48, 47 or even less. But if you want a sure shot strategy, you need to have a very good working plan. I mean, to get the results, you need to have a very good working plan, and you need to definitely keep on checking your knowledge. Without this thing, you can never be confident that what the outcome of exam will be. So it's very important, in my opinion, to test your knowledge and to have a very strong study plan. And the last step is pass your exam. Then you go to exam, you take the exam, it is for 3 hours, and the results are announced in, 6 weeks time. So if you take exam in the June session, usually it is on 8th or 9th or 10th of June, result would be on somewhere on 16th or 17th of July. For December exam, results are announced in January. You get ACCA DipIFR diploma certificate signed and stamped by ACCA in your profile. You can download it, you can print it, you can share it. And that definitely is, it adds quite a lot of value, not only to your knowledge, but also to your CV. So good luck with your ACCA DipIFR qualification. All you need to do is to take a decision, allocate 15 hours per week for this thing, and that definitely is going to help you not only in improving your knowledge but also boosting up your career. I wish you all good luck, and I hope to see you in my groups. So as soon as you join the course, get in touch with me, and let's work together on completing this qualification.